2 cups of boiling water going. I have a half a cup of grits, a dash of salt, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Alright guys, let's get into it. Alright, we're already at the stove. The water's already boiling. I'm going to add in the dash of salt. Alright, that's in there. I like to go ahead and add my butter to the water as well. Let it get melted. And then I just add my grits in slowly. And as I add the grits in, I stir them. I stir the water. Now, what I normally do is turn the heat down. I had it on high. I turn it down to low and allow the grits to cook. And you know, grits only take about 5 minutes. But the purpose of me stirring them is I pour them into the water, and so I don't have lumpy grits. No one wants lumpy grits. Alright. Let those cook. Alright, as they start to thicken, I like to add a little bit of heavy cream. I like nice and creamy grits. That's optional. I know some people don't like to add heavy cream to theirs. I'm going to stir that in. Alright, as you see, I'll let that continue to cook for a little while. Let it simmer. Like to finish yours off with a nice little butter. Hope you all enjoy. Let's build this grit bowl. Alright, I'm going to take the grits. Look at those. Look at that. get it out on the side. We use the whisk we use to mix the grits with. Clean off the spoon. Alright. Looks amazing. Absolutely amazing. Spoon the eggs on here like so. I would love me a good grit bowl for breakfast. It's like I get everything that my palate is wanting all in one bowl. I get my nice creamy grits, fluffy eggs, along with some sausage. You don't always have to do the smoked Johnsonville sausage. I also eat it with turkey sausage. It's absolutely amazing both ways. Make sure I get every bite in there. Alright. Then you have the sausage here. I'm just gonna lay that on the side that we cooked off. Ooh wee! That's some good eating right there, guys. That is some good eating right there. Look at that. Nice grit bowl. You have your grits, your eggs, and your sausage. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Now I have mixed it, because you know that's the whole purpose of the grit bowl, is to mix everything together. I've mixed it. Oh wow. This is about to be a good bite. I got some of the eggs, grits, and the sausage right here. That's it, guys. That right there. Grit bowl. Sausage, eggs, and grits. Sausage, eggs, grits, that's all you need for breakfast. Alright guys, I'm out.